Hello friends, myself Dr. Kinnari Amin. I'm consultant obstetrician, gynecologist and infertility specialist at Mother-Nest Women's Hospital, Ahmedabad. So today we are going to discuss the cervical cancer, its screening by pap smear test and its prevention by HPV vaccination. Now as we know, the cervical cancer and the breast cancer are the most common type of cancer in the female. Now there are various causes for the cervical cancer. But the most common cause of cervical cancer is HPV virus infection. In 99.7% cases of cervical cancer, the cause of cervical cancer is HPV virus infection. Now this HPV virus infection is nothing but human papilloma virus infection. So how do we get this infection? This infection occurs by doing sexual intercourse. At least 50% of the women get infection by HPV virus during their lifetime. After getting infection, it is usually asymptomatic and it gets resolved spontaneously in most of the cases. But in some patients, it may turn into cervical cancer. There is no treatment for this HPV virus infection, but the condition caused by it, like respiratory warts, genital warts and cervical cancer, can be treated. So we have to screen this cervical cancer by doing pap smear test. Now this cervical cancer screening, it is done by pap smear test. This pap smear test, when is to be done and how frequently it is to be done. Ideally, the cervical cancer screening by pap smear, it should be done between the age group of 25 years to 45 years. Once you start your sexual activity, the pap smear screening should be done 1 year after starting the sexual activity. By doing screening of cervical cancer by pap smear, you can detect the early stages of cervical cancer. When the detection is early, you can start treatment early. So early detection and early treatment will give good prognosis to the patient. Now this screening by pap smear should be done every 3 yearly and it should be done till the age of 45 years. Now this was all about screening of cervical cancer by pap smear. Now we will go ahead with HPV vaccination. Now why should we get vaccinated? What is the schedule? What are the different types of vaccination? What are the side effects and contraindication for vaccination? Now for HPV vaccine, there are two types of vaccine. One is Gardasil and other is Cervarix. Now the Gardasil is a quadrivalent type of vaccine which covers the 4 types of HPV viruses, that is HPV virus 6, 11, 16 and 18. Now the HPV virus 6 and 11, it causes respiratory and genital warts, while HPV virus 16 and 18, it causes cervical cancer. So this quadrivalent vaccine, it will give protection against the warts as well as cervical cancer. The another type of vaccine is Cervarix. Now the Cervarix is a bivalent vaccine. It covers the HPV virus 16 and 18. So it will give you protection against cervical cancer only. What is the ideal age to get vaccinated by HPV vaccine? Ideally, you should get vaccinated between 9 to 14 years of age group. But before starting the sexual activity, you can also get vaccinated. Now, if you are already sexually active and you have a children, so should you take vaccine? Even after starting the sexual activity, you can get vaccination, because you might have got infection by one type of virus, but you may get protection with other type of virus by vaccination. Though this vaccination is not 100% protection, but as there are no major side effects, you can still take vaccination after starting the sexual activity. Now what is the dose schedule of this vaccine? Between the age of 9 to 14 years, you can get 2 doses of vaccine 6 months apart. And from 15 years to 45 years of age group, you can take 3 doses of vaccine. The second dose is to be taken 2 months after the first dose and the third dose is to be taken 6 months after the first dose. Now what are the side effects for this vaccine? There are no major side effects by this vaccine. You can get side effects like another vaccination, like pain at the injection site, itching or redness at the injection site, or you may get mild fever by the vaccination. Now what are the contraindications for this vaccine? You should not take this vaccine while you are pregnant, or if you are planning the pregnancy, you should make sure that your vaccine schedule get completed within 6 months and then you should plan your pregnancy. Now this vaccination is safe during breastfeeding. So as you know, The prevention is better than cure. Get yourself vaccinated as early as possible and do regular cervical cancer screening by pap smear to detect cervical cancer. So this was all about screening of cervical cancer by pap smear test and vaccination by HPV vaccine. If you have any queries, then you can comment below. I'll be more than happy to answer your comments. Thank you.